Hey guys, Nick Jolson, welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at defense against a hammer. I hate this weapon, and one of the reasons why I hate it, number one, it's a short-ranged weapon, so it's not as long as a bat. It's not short. It's really like short to kind of middle. What I hate about it is that it's the momentum and power and swing that it has, which is just go slowly with the swing. Like it has that, right? This motion is very powerful because of the rotation of the shoulder, of the hip, and you have the extension, right? You have this. Again, what comes into play, again, is freaking timing. It's all about timing, understanding range, space, and timing. If he swings, what you want to do is step in. Bring your forearms in, boom, tuck in your head, and step in and jam it. Now, it's not something that's easy to do because you have two options, right? Move back a little bit, Pat. So you have two options. Swing, it's either I'm going to do this and step in, or if it comes in, boom, step in. Okay, even then, right now, if I was here, right, I would try to use my legs to try to keep him back, right? Even that's right there, that's dangerous. I'm moving back, but if he would have came and swung at any point, boom, I would have to. The hard part of this is developing the instinct to move in and actually being able to judge your range exactly of when you're going to come in. So go slow. So it's either has to be here, right? Let's say it does this where I come in, or it has to be like boom and I'm here. Now put in consideration his hand is in front and he does this, go, and he's trying to like boom, I have to move. Now the best way to disrupt this as well is throw a low line kick, throw anything to get him to stop that motion up there. The other thing, if you have anything in your hands, a bottle of water, a t-shirt, shirt, the chair, start throwing shit at the person, again, to stop the momentum. Because what it takes is the timing that as it passes, you gotta move in here. When it comes on top and I step in, you gotta step in, boom, and jam it. Not an easy thing once you jam it, so it's all about timing. So if you train this, go slow, Pat. If I train it, I have to do it this way. Keep swinging slow. Boom, so it's here. Swing, swing. Boom. Swing. Swing. See, it's almost like it has to do this, boom, and then come in. Guys, you need the timing, explosive power, footwork. That's the engine to you being able to time this. Now, if I'm in close and I see he's holding the hammer and he's doing this, boom, I'm going to pop him. I'm not going to let him. If I see he's here and he's going to swing for it and I see him do this, boom, I'm going to right away jam, come in and stop it. Once it starts picking up speed, it becomes very hard. Again, it takes timing. The thing that's very hard is if he swings, go slow, and I'm here, go slow, just swing it like this, and now I try to move in. As I move in, boom, he can nail me here. So it almost like the hammer almost has to come, like the hammer has to pass this much for me to step in. I also have to be in a range where I can come in to jam it. So again, timing, knowing your range, knowing his range as well, which is hard because you don't know how long the weapon is unless he swings it a couple of times. Okay, so guys, we're just giving you a quick version. We have a weapons defense video. Pat will put that on the link on the bottom for them. It's an hour and a half. We have hammer, bottle, golf stick, hockey stick, baseball bat. There's so many more weapons. We're breaking everything down. So if you guys are interested, we'll put the link on the description box as well. Let us know what is the next video you would like to see in the comment box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.